Hello, I'm Thomas, and today I'm going to teach you about the mole. Now then, what is a chemistry mole? No, it is not a cute fluffy animal in a lab coat. It is instead 602 sextillion of an object, just as a dozen as 12 of an object. This is used in chemistry to find how many atoms are in the molar mass in grams of an element or compound. To summarize that, there would be 602 sextillion atoms in 12 grams of carbon. The man that discovered this, and even used carbon to discover it, was an Italian scientist named Amedeo Avogadro. There are three conversions to finding a mole: particles, liters for gases, and molar mass. These are all very simple. A mole will have 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd particles in their compound or element. A mole will also have 22.4 liters if it is a gas and at STP. And a mole will be the molar mass of your compound or element. To find the molar mass of an element, go to the periodic table and find the atomic mass in AMU and simply change it to grams. To find it on a compound, find each element's mass, get the sum of the masses combined, and then change it to grams. That's about all there is to know on moles. Thanks, and goodbye.